It's time to say goodbye to this builder-grade lighting in our guest room and upgrade the space with a sleek ceiling fan, creating a home away from home for our guests. Thanks to DREO, this was totally achievable in just one afternoon. Installation is a breeze with DREO. Each fan comes with a quick start guide and a QR code that leads you to an easy-to-watch install video. After turning off the power, removing our old light, and prepping the existing wiring, we were ready to go. Don't be scared of this step. It's just a bunch of unscrewing and unhooking. Thanks to its pre-assembled components, we had the ceiling fan up and running in no time. With other ceiling fans, you have to worry about hooking up a receiver for the remote, attaching a ton of wires, but not with DREO. The blades featured a reversible design made of high-quality plywood so we can choose what best fits our space. We slid them into place and secured them with the included hardware. The amount of customization on this fan is amazing. You also have the option to lower the height of the fan with the down rod extender if you're installing it in a larger space. Once the blades are attached, it's as easy as sliding the rest of the parts onto the down rod and sliding it into the ceiling bracket. From there, all that's left is to reattach the wires, twisting the canopy into place to cover everything up, and adding the lighting kit. We've installed fans in other rooms of our home, but this was by far the easiest and quickest. We turned the power back on and hung the remote on the wall. Now it's time to feel the power of the DREO ceiling fan. With a click of a button, I could immediately feel the strong airflow with practically no noise, keeping the space cool and comfortable. DREO's multi-purpose light allows us to adjust the brightness and light temperature to suit any mood or occasion. So let's say it's time to wind down. You can lower the light temperature and set the fan to a gentle breeze for a peaceful slumber, saving energy and keeping you cool. DREO ceiling fans aren't just for summer either. With its reversible motor and high-quality plywood blades, you can stay comfortable year-round. In the summer, enjoy a cooling breeze, and in the winter, circulate warm air trapped up near the ceiling. This remote also offers a quick timer setting, so you can turn the fan off without pressing the button again later. After looking at the other fans around my house, I can now see how sleek and high-end the DREO fan actually is in comparison. I mean, I can't get over how quiet this fan is. Just listen for yourself for the difference between a regular ceiling fan and the DREO ceiling fan. The best part, with the DREO app, we can control the fan without even getting up. With features like reversible wind modes, stepless brighting, and light temperature control, and a convenient wall switch integration, there's really nothing you can't do. This fan is installed in our guest room, making it such an inviting space for visitors to feel like they are right at home. What are you waiting for? Upgrade your ceiling fan to DREO. Use the link in the description or scan the QR code here. Use code 10HOME for a 10% off discount now.